Welcome back, champions. It's day 5 of your 7-day flat belly challenge. Today, we take things up a notch. This isn't just a core workout, and it's not just cardio, it's both. This is your ** full body fat burning and core sculpting workout ** designed to push your limits and accelerate real results. If you've been waiting for that day when you truly feel the sweat, the burn, and the breakthrough, this is it. Let's start by activating the whole body with a simple but effective warm-up ** arm circles and toe taps **. Stand tall, roll your arms forward in wide circles while tapping your opposite toe with each step. It may feel easy now, but this movement wakes up your shoulders, arms, legs, and gets your core gently engaged. Keep going for 30 seconds. Deep breath in, now out. You're ready. Now let's step into the fire with ** jumping jacks **. Classic, but powerful. Arms overhead, legs out and in a move with rhythm. This move gets your blood pumping fast and heats up the full body. This is your ignition switch. Keep your core slightly tight and don't forget to breathe. We're just getting started. Next, we hit the mat for a killer core combo. ** plank to knee taps **. Get into a high plank position, shoulders stacked over your wrists. Now bring your right knee toward your right elbow, then back, switch sides. These slow, controlled movements strengthen your entire core while keeping your upper body activated. Stay strong, this one works fast. Stand up now for ** squat to side leg lifts **. Lower yourself into a deep squat. Then as you rise, lift your right leg to the side. Alternate legs with each squat. This combo activates your glutes, quads, and obliques, all while firing up your balance and core control. It's sculpting your waist and lower body in one motion. Power up, alright. Drop back down for ** plank shoulder taps **. High plank again. And now lift one hand at a time to tap the opposite shoulder. Right hand to left shoulder, left hand to right. Try not to rock your hips. Your core is the stabilizer here. It's working overtime to keep you steady, and that's exactly what we want. Let's go back up a time for ** standing knee drives **. Step your right foot slightly back, arms up. And now drive your right knee forward fast, like you're pulling something down with your arms. Do this for 20 seconds, then switch sides. This explosive move burns fat, boosts cardio, and sculpts your abs at the same time. Feel that energy rise. Next, we go for ** mountain climbers **. A true fat shredder. Come into plank and start running your knees toward your chest one at a time, fast but controlled. This is cardio, core, shoulders, and legs all in one movement. Push through the burn. You're not just burning fat. You're building endurance. Now back up, but not for rest for ** standing torso rotations **. Keep your knees slightly bent, arms out, and twist your upper body left to right. Engage the abs as you twist. This is our active recovery move, low intensity but still hitting the waistline. Slow it down, feel the squeeze, and let your breathing come back to normal. Almost there. Time for the ** reverse lunge to knee twist **. Step back into a reverse lunge, then bring your knee up across your body toward the opposite elbow. This challenges your legs, balance, and obliques all at once. Do this on one side for 30 seconds. Then switch. This is where strength meets control. Finish with a * burpee to standing reach **. Don't worry, we're keeping it beginner friendly. Go down into a squat. Place your hands on the floor. Step or hop back into plank. Step forward and reach up to the sky. This full body movement ends the workout with power, pride, and purpose. You've come so far. Don't hold back now. And just like that, day 5 is done. You crushed a full body, full power session. You're sweating, your core is tighter, and your energy is rising day by day. You've proven you can show up not just when it's easy, but when it's challenging too. That's what makes this journey real. Tomorrow, we slow it down but keep the fire burning with ** no jump, joint friendly belly burn session **. Until then, stay strong, stay hydrated, and remember, you're not just working out. You're leveling up.